Pranam. This is Abhirami. Abhirami being my spiritual name. I'm a certified yoga trainer and an energy healer. I'm the founder of PRANA. PRANA is an initiative to support people in their well-being. My mission is to reach millions of beings and support them in their physical and emotional well-being. I have contributed towards 100 plus students till now, and I've seen a major shift in their wellness, and I wish to share this knowledge to more and more people, as I want to create this awareness that self-healing is possible. You can heal your own self. There are a lot of tools, easy, simple yet powerful tools that we can use and create this well-being for ourselves, because I believe transformation that happens within transforms outside. So thank you for giving me this opportunity and being a part of this journey. Let's create transformation within. Pranam.